Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to pick up Hertz rental car. So the first thing that you need to do in order to pick up a Hertz rental car is to gather your documents. First of all, gather the booking confirmation. This confirms your reservation details. Also gather the driver's license, ensure it's valid, and if necessary, have an English translation or International Driving Permit IDP. Also, you need your credit card. It is used for payment and deposit. You might also need your passport. Also, you might need the membership or discount cards if you have any. If you have a AAA or corporate discount, you can bring the proof of the membership. After you gather all the documents, what you have to do is proceed to the Hertz location. Follow the car rental signs. Look for the Hertz signs to locate the counter. If you're the Hertz Gold Plus Rewards member, you can skip the line and proceed to the designated gold area or follow instructions for priority pickup. If you're the regular customer, simply go to the Hertz counter. Now at the counter, first of all, what you have to do is present the documents, provide your booking confirmation, driver's license and credit card. You'll have to finalize the agreement next. Sign the rental agreement and finalize any insurance or additional driver arrangements. Also, you need to confirm the extras, ensure any requested items like car seats are included. You'll also have to note the location, get the information about where your car is parked. Now, after you do that, you'll have to pick up your car. First of all, follow the instructions and head to the designated parking area. Locate your car, find the car based on the information provided to you. Now check the car, ensure the car matches the description and mileage on the rental agreement. Now you can also inspect the car, check the fuel level, tires and any existing damage. After that, you can simply get familiar with the car's feature and start driving. So like this, you'll be able to pick up the car. So that is how you pick up Hertz rental car. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.